Why is commercial roof maintenance so important?
Hey guys, remember to head below to like, comment and subscribe for all the latest on our videos.
This insight from Jones Weatherproofing reveals the risks of neglect, from structural failure to legal repercussions, and explains how proactive inspections and repairs can significantly extend a roof's lifespan. While commercial roofs last between 10 to 60 years, proactive maintenance and repairs can significantly extend their functional life. Roofs should be professionally inspected at least twice a year to identify minor issues before they escalate into costly failures. Essential upkeep includes cleaning debris from drainage towels and checking roof coverings for cracks, bumps, or loose edges. It is vital to inspect sills around roof lights and vents, as well as ensure HVAC units and solar panels are securely supported. Maintenance plans must include checking the integrity of guardrails, walkways, and anchor points to protect workers and contractors. Neglect leads to water infiltration that can compromise the building's walls, foundations, and overall structural stability. Leaks create immediate hazards like slippery floors and electrical risks, while damp conditions promote harmful mold and mildew growth. Damaged roofs create cold bridges and drafts, forcing HVAC systems to work harder and driving up energy utility costs. Poor maintenance can void roof warranties, lead to denied insurance claims, and result in legal repercussions for safety violations. Using expert services and cold-applied liquid waterproofing can provide targeted repairs for both flat and pitched roofs. To learn more, read the full article in our opinion category. Read more at TWinFM.com.